Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. And welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some salmon nuggets. All the niceness. And here I have my salmon and I'm just taking off the skin. So no, I'm not a perfectionist at this. I'm definitely not good at it, right? I'm just trying. So just get a sharp knife and just lift a little part of the skin and then just take your time and cut and go through. You will get it. So it doesn't have to be perfect because remember, we're going to be battering these, right? Yeah, we are gonna fry them, so it doesn't need to be perfect. But yes, get that skin off, and then now we are going to cut these into little cubes, little cubes, little nice cubes, right? Good little size. Try to get all of them the same size, but of course all of them is not going to be the same size, so as close as possible, right? And then when we are done with that, we are gonna season these. So let's get to the seasoning part. So here I have half tablespoon onion powder, half tablespoon granule. It's actually garlic granule and onion granules, right? And also one teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 teaspoon Lorry's seasoning salt, and 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning. And then just mix that up and we are going to season our salmon, right? So just get that all on there. Do not use all of it, leave some of it to add to the rest of the ingredients that we will be using. So rub that up, rub that down, and then set that aside. Woo, that's us done. So here we have half cup of flour, right? And add some of the seasoning to that, and then go ahead and whisk it up, right? Whisk it up. All-purpose flour, by the way, not self-rising, all-purpose, right? So set that aside, and then we have 1 egg, and then just throw the rest of the seasoning in that and whisk it. Yes, because we're seasoning up everything and everybody, because when we bite into our food, we say flavor, right? So yeah, give that a whisk. And then the next step, set that aside. We're going to pour some oil in our pot because we need it to get nice and hot. When you hear the rhyme, when you hear the rhyme. So add some oil into the pot and make that go and get hot. And here now we have our salmon and we are going to get the dipping and coating. So take some of the pieces, add them to the egg batter, right? And then wish that around, flip them, then wish them. And then we are going to add them to the flour, right? So you want to make sure that you coat these well, right? So because remember, the egg and the flour, especially the egg, that is what adds to the crispiness of it all. So make sure that you give it a nice even coat with the flour, right? And then make sure no part don't leave out where you can see the salmon, right? Yes, cover up every part with the flour, and then shake off the excess and put it on a tray. And then that's gonna be us with that part. So you see that right there, so yeah, you want to cover that with the flour for sure. So yeah, get all the pieces nicely coated, nicely coated. Vibes, some listen, a recipe here nice, make it for your children. I promise you the little ones will enjoy these so much. So let's fry them now. So Vibes fam, we're going to do this, fry them for like 5 minutes on each side. The oil needs to be hot, but not to the point where as you put them in, then them are go brown, right? But yeah, look at them. So yes, now flipation time. So we're going to flip them over, flip them over, and look at nice and crispy vibes. Some them so crispy and nice. I promise your little ones will enjoy these so much. So yeah, 5 minutes on each side, 6 minutes tops. You don't want to dry them out, vibes fam, right? You're just trying to make sure that the dough is fried, well the butter on the outside is fried, right, and the salmon cooked too on the inside. So yes, when they are done, we are gonna take them out and set them aside on a tray. So you know the excess oil can drip off if there is any, right? But preferably put them on a tray and not on a paper towel, because you don't want too much remember, say it nice and crispy on the outside. You don't want too much absorption to be taking place. So you just need it to drip, and yeah. And this is us. We are gonna take them out, and then that's gonna be us, just beautiful, nice and crispy. Did you see the bubblation taking place? Look at bubbling with the oil and vibes, fam. Here we have it. Here we have this gorgeous, look at golden the brown, ready body, salmon nuggets. Step to the front, step to the front. You look good. You ready. We can tell you nice and crispy, well fried, just ready for every kind of video light you can run out, because you look good. You know you look good. So don't stand around here, so around at the back. Come out to the front. Come out to the front. But yeah, vibes, trust me, try this one. Your little ones will love it. And I paired it with some sweet chili dip. That's my favorite dip. I love me some sweet chili dip. So yeah, vibes, this is it. Comment down below and tell me, is this a recipe that you would be interested in? Let me know. But thank you so much for watching as usual. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate all of you. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and run over Instagram and go follow me now, please. Thank you. God bless you.